Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 14th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So, anyways, on the pound yen, I still think there is a chance this is the end of a wave B. If it is the end of a wave B on the daily time frame, it would likely start a brand new downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, lasting most likely at least several months. Now, unfortunately, the only thing that's really going to prove that to be true is a break of this low right here. The only thing we really know right now for sure is that this wave from here to here is over. This move down could just be a pullback within an uptrend still. So unfortunately, we could say this is the end of a wave B, but there's definitely no proof of it yet. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, if this is the top right here, well, first of all, we put our Fibonacci retracement on there. But if this really is a top of a wave B, then this will make lower lows, lower highs on the 1 hour time frame. It will make pullbacks, but it will make lower highs along the way. That is what will happen if it's the end of a wave B. If it's not the end of a wave B, but it's actually a pullback to this whole move up, then likely it will start making very, very overlapping waves, probably right down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, and then break structure to the upside, continuing the higher time frame uptrend. So right now, I definitely would be recommending shorts, and we should be hopefully learning and earning while we look for shorts, whether this move down is just a pullback to this move up, or whether this move down maintains an impulsive trend, lower lows, lower highs. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.